Hello and welcome to the Investment Mind. This is Harizal Isaac and today we are going to be talking about the valuation of banks. How do banks get valued? So banks get valued on the basis of price to book. That's a PB ratio. What is this PB ratio? The PB ratio is nothing but the current market price of bank divided by the book value of the stock. What is the book value? Book value is simple. It's nothing but assets minus liabilities. So, generally a price to book as a benchmark is 1. But some banks are valued much higher than 1 and some banks are valued lower than 1. What does that mean? So it all comes down to your assets minus liabilities. So your assets are nothing for a bank, the loans that they have been giving out. Now, basis the loans that they have given out, there is something which is called as an NPA. So, if people are expecting the NPAs to be more in a particular bank which are not yet been reported, so that means the quality of the asset is not sure, So that's why your book value may not reflect the true value of the book if the provisioning has not been done properly. So, when you look at your price to book, look at how the valuation is done for private sector banks in India. Like for example, your HDFC Bank, that may be in the range of 4 something. Your ICICI Bank is in the range of 3 something. Your State Bank of India is in the range of 1.5 to 1.6 times book. And then there will be other banks, PSU banks, which are less than 1 time book also. So why is this so? It basically is a valuation which is given on the basis of your reflection in terms of your management, a better risk management, better provisioning, lesser NPAs getting into default. This all reflects into the book and that's how your price to book comes about. Okay? So do look at it. Do not look at valuing a bank purely on the basis of a PA ratio. They are valued on a price to book ratio. I'll just sum this up. The book value of the bank is assets minus liabilities. Assets of a bank are nothing but the loans which are given. Now the quality of loans means the quality of repayment which is going to come back. Lesser NPAs, better quality of book. Better quality of book, the better the valuation. If the price to book is lesser than 1 generally, it means that the market is saying that we do not trust your book. We feel that provisions have not been done properly and they have not been, there may be some defaults coming in which have not yet been reported, and then that's how the price to book is less than 1. A better quality management, a better risk management of a bank and lesser NPAs, generally you tend to get a higher price to book. In India, look at the distinction of price to books given to your private sector banks versus your public sector banks, and of course in between the best public sector bank, that's State Bank of India. So that's the difference. Thank you so much and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.